guys, Christian here from CK Wraps. So I'm going to show you this Mercedes GTC that I just wrapped a bunch of in Vivid's Gloss Tech Art carbon fiber. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. Don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see some more stuff. I have some Luxe Auto tint on the way, headlight, taillight tint. And they're actually sending me some really cool stuff to demo, so I'm pretty excited about those videos. I've also got cheetah wrap on the way to demo as well. I've got gloss black and I believe matte military green, so I believe those are on the way as well for me to demo. So don't forget to subscribe. There's new videos coming up, lots of new stuff coming out. Anyways, let's go over this Mercedes GTC. So same customer as the Camaro that I picked up the other day. As some of you have watched the video, this car was in his garage, so I want to show you what we've done here. So what we've done here is we've done some things that you can't actually do with carbon fiber. Well, maybe you could in some situations, in others you probably couldn't. And also it would cost a ton of money. Not only that, this carbon fiber is going to protect the original finish and keep the car very original, while if we start changing parts, we don't have original parts anymore. So that's going to be kind of a downfall to adding in aftermarket parts on a brand new car. Of course, you can get some very high-end stuff that does enhance the maybe the value, but again, original is always probably it's probably the better way to keep your car for the most part. We all know that modifying your car does not really lead to enhancing its resale value. So what I want to show you in the front end here is this section right here and the lower lip. Now these two pieces have been wrapped in gloss carbon fiber, as well as the mirrors on both sides, the door handles, the tops of the door handles. It was just silver chrome, kind of an eyesore. I don't know why it was silver chrome. It doesn't really go with anything on the car, but hey, it was. And then that lower section down there where that kind of splitter is on the side skirt, that was also just gloss black. We wrapped that in carbon fiber, and then a small bit along the back, which kind of just makes it pop a little bit nicer in the back. That's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you what we did. Now remember, outside we're going to get a much more deeper, realistic look than indoors. We do have a ton of LED bulbs in the ceiling, so as you can see, they're not really giving off the best natural lighting. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to bring it in. And so what I like to do is I like to leave the protective cap on for the most part. This really minimizes any scratching at all to the film. Not that it doesn't self-heal, it's just that it's better to avoid it to begin with. So if we were to do, let's say you wanted a carbon fiber insert for this section right here, that would be quite difficult to do as we kind of just trail off the carbon fiber on the inside there. Now if you wanted a piece there, I suppose that it would kind of be overlap, a section that would go right over top of the front bumper, and in that case it would protect it, of course. That would be beneficial because you could probably remove that whenever you wanted, and so on. So let's go over to the mirrors. Mirrors were pretty straightforward. They actually took me a couple of tries to do. They're not easy. We did only do this side of the mirror and not the inside piece. It's just more a part of the deal. But again, it gives the appearance. The mirror's black, so the plastic itself has a body line in it, and so we ran the vinyl down that body line where they seam the plastic together as two parts, or they cast it as one mold, or whatever they do. I don't know. I don't make mirrors. So we have this section as well down here. This is done on both sides. So you can see the depth that this vinyl gives. And then we have this nice little trim piece back here. Let's let that focus. There we go. Trying to move it. There we go. So just a small section back there. He did originally want this plastic section wrapped, but this is textured plastic, and it's a composite, right? So vinyl's not really going to stick to that at all. It probably just fall off, just literally fall off. This vinyl is very thick and very difficult to use in situations where we do these really fine details like this, really tight edges, and I'll let you really have a look there, right? Very difficult. It's wrapped all the way underneath, all the way through. to the edge, everything. The only one that isn't is the mirror, so I didn't show you the door handles. So here's the door handle. So this door handle on this side is 2 pieces, and then the door handle on the adjacent side is 1 piece. So this one is actually a little bit more difficult to do because of it being, let's let it focus, there we go, because of it being 1 piece. But again, it's not the whole door handle, it's just half the door handle where the chrome trim is. That's pretty much it. I wanted to show you what was up with that. So I'm pretty excited. He's about to pick his car up, and overall I think it gives it a wonderful new look. It's different, still fresh, it's not over the top. I really enjoyed the chrome delete on the door handle. That's definitely beneficial, and that's about it. I mean, as far as the appearance goes, gets the job done. You can go out there and you can spend, I don't know, on parts like this, probably upwards of maybe 2.5 to 3,000, somewhere around there for all these pieces. I know we have a Maserati Levante that just came in here, and there was $25,000 worth of carbon fiber spent on that car, and that's the pink one, in case you guys have seen it in like Instagram or whatever. But yeah, that's $25,000 worth of carbon fiber that literally actually did not reduce the weight. They were just add-on pieces, so they actually added on to the weight of the car. This vinyl does as well, but this vinyl weighs a lot less than adding on an actual carbon fiber piece. So you see kind of where I'm going with this. So carbon fiber is more for an appearance. Unless you're building out a full-blown race car, you can go out there and you can easily drop 15, 20, 30 grand on carbon fiber hoods, seats inside the car, mirrors, door handles. I mean, whatever you name it, you pretty much can make it in real carbon fiber, or you can wrap it if you're just looking for the look. Again, this is not a race car. It's a nice luxury sports car, and that's what it is. So we keep it sporty, we keep it luxury. It's not going to the track. It's just for sheer appearance and the pleasure of driving it and having it. That's about it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Again, I will post a link in the description below to the carbon fiber that I used here today, and the tools along with it that I used. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Take care.